With each passing day, drones are becoming more powerful and popular because they help you take photo and videography to newer heights. Today, most drones come with basic accessories for operating and charging, but you can make your drone even better with some extra accessories. Amongst an ocean of drone accessories, choosing the right one can be difficult. To help you out, in today's video, we have come up with a list of 5 must-have drone accessories which will help you to elevate your skill and possibilities. While flying your drone outdoors, it may become difficult to have a clear view of your controller. That's why you should have the Hood Sunshade, which blocks sunlight from every direction to give you a better view of your display. The sunshade is made out of PU leather, which gives you a soft feeling and prevents light leaks from every side. It also comes with elastic rubber to protect your phone from impacts on all sides. You can also use it with your tablet to show friends and family your drone footage clearly while camping or having afternoon tea. The sunshade is also foldable and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry wherever you go with your drone. Overall, to operate your drone precisely even in broad daylight, the Hood Sunshade will benefit you with exceptional vision. Know the exact location of your drone even after the battery goes off with the Tile-made GPS tracker that allows you to access the drone's location on your smartphone. The GPS tracker offers up to 76 meters of Bluetooth range. You can use the Tile app to ring your tracker when it's in the Bluetooth range so that you can know where you kept your drone. When it's outside of the Bluetooth range, you can also use the Tile app to see the most recent tile's location on the map so you can see how far your drone is. It also supports the Lost and Found feature, which lets you add your contact information so you can be reached when someone scans the QR code on your lost tile. The tracker is also compatible with both Android, iOS, and also works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. The GPS tracker also comes with a non-replaceable battery, which offers up to 3 years of battery life. Moreover, it also comes with an IP67 rating to resist dust and water. In general, for accurate tracking, battery life, and compatibility, the Tile GPS tracker lets you bring back your drone even if it gets lost. Fly your drone like a professional with Fluidity FT Aviator, which is a durable, premium-grade drone controller with a quick and easy setup. Equipped with a Cortex M4F processor, the drone controller delivers the performance to fly your drone smoothly. The FT Aviator precisely enables the 4 degrees of freedom to give you the ability to control your drone in any direction you like. It also reduces the workload for drone pilots with its natural and cognitive translation of hand-to-device movement, allowing you to focus on the photo or video capture. It also comes with a situational display indicator, which provides the drone location, orientation, and connectivity status at all times. With dedicated buttons, the Aviator gives you the ability to slow the rate of lift control and camera functions to get smoother videos. Rigged with a 1550 mAh battery, the drone controller offers up to 6 hours of flight time. All in all, for battery life and overall performance, the Fluidity FT Aviator should be the one to let you fly your drone as you like. Power up your drone battery while on the go with the Anker PowerCore Plus, which is a fast-charging portable charger with a built-in powerhouse. Equipped with a 26,800 mAh battery, the PowerCore Plus lets you fly your drone all day long. Moreover, it also comes with 30-watt output to charge your drone battery faster than any standard portable charger. With 3 USB output ports and Anker's Power IQ, the charger provides high-speed charging for 3 drone batteries simultaneously. It also comes with Anker's multi-product safety system, which ensures complete protection for you and your drone. The charger is also light and compact enough to fit in your bag for days out and longer adventures. Altogether, to get your desired footage, the Anker PowerCore Plus will give you all-day backup for your drone and can be charged in your bag as you walk. To protect your drone and carry all the accessories, you can get the Lowepro DroneGuard BP 250, which is a robust design backpack with a huge space. With the form-shell design, this bag protects your drone from any kind of damage. It also can be molded to suit your setup. It also comes with customizable interior and a transmitter pad, which allows you to customize the inner space to fit whatever you're carrying. With an accessory pocket, you can easily carry your 15-inch laptop and a 10-inch tablet along with your drone. However, it also comes with a phone's own shoulder strap pocket, which allows you to hold your smartphone safely. You can also keep all kinds of cables securely with the removable organization panel. For the most part, to take your drone out on adventures with accessories, the Lowepro DroneGuard BP 250 is one of the must-have accessories to carry out your drone flying adventure. So, that was all about the top 5 must-have drone accessories just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.